In this video, we're going to look at the Fitbit Charge 5. This is their newest advanced fitness and health tracker. It's got built-in GPS, stress management tools, sleep tracking, 24/7 heart rate, plus there's a lot of features packed into this. You've also got a few different color choices. This one shown here is graphite black. Current price is about $175. This one's already been on sale, so you'll definitely want to check the description of the video for current pricing and more information. This one weighs in at about 29 grams. This one also includes a 6-month premium membership where it's got personalized insights, advanced analytics, guided programs, and more. Probably the biggest change of this model versus previous versions is going to be the new color touchscreen. That's supposed to be 2 times brighter than the Charge 4 and Daylight. You're still going to get about 7 days battery life, of course depending on which features you have turned on. It's also going to be able to track calories burned, optimize workouts with 24/7 heart rate tracking. It also has active zone minutes. It also is going to give you a sleep score. It's also going to give you stats on whether it was light, deep, or REM sleep, which usually I can always tell how tired I am on whether I got enough sleep or not. But still, it's kind of nice to see that information. There's also going to be 20 exercise modes to set personal goals for runs, rides, strength training, and more. As far as battery life goes, there's only one other Fitbit that's going to beat this one, and that one's going to be the Inspire 2, which is going to last up to 10 days. It's also going to be water resistant up to 50 meters, 24/7 heart rate, and active zone minutes. You're also going to get text, call, and app notifications on here. Unfortunately, you don't get to store or play music on this one. You have to go up to the Versa or Sense models. You're also not going to get Alexa or Google Assistant on this one, but it does have built-in GPS. It's also got heart rhythm assessment with ECG, stress management, and EDA sensor. You're also going to get daily readiness score. They're definitely packing in a lot of features in this Fitbit. Nice thing is you get 2 different size bands. Depending on if you have a small, medium, or large wrist, you shouldn't have a problem with this one fitting. Okay, this looks like it's really easy to switch out the bands. That's always nice to see. Once everything's updated and you're inside the app, it'll tell you what the features are that you get if you do their premium membership. I don't really like to pay for subscriptions unless I absolutely have to. You get daily readiness to optimize workouts, stress management analytics, sleep score details for advanced analysis, 150 plus video workouts. You also get video recipes, health metrics dashboard, deeper personalized insights every day. You're also going to get a wellness report for your health trends and custom challenges for you and your friends. If you're not familiar with the Fitbit app, it's actually got quite a few features in there. It gives you a lot of your stats right there on the homepage. Then you've also got a few things underneath that, sort of some of those premium features. It's also going to give you your weight, how much water you're drinking. You can also log your food that you're eating. If you go to Discover, there's quite a few different things in there you can try, such as challenges, workouts, health and fitness stats. So you can also change the apps and the clock faces as well. Looks like you've got a good handful to choose from. It's also going to show you what you've got on your Charge 5 currently. You can also adjust the notifications, exercise, alarms, timers, SpO2, settings, ECG, and EDA scan. This is going to show you all the apps that you currently have on the Charge 5. Seems relatively easy to put on as well, so that's good to see. If you compare the Charge 5 to the Charge 4, it's going to be very similar in size. The band on this one feels a little bit skinnier than on the Charge 4, but you no longer have the little touch button there on the side, which I always thought was kind of convenient. It's just all touchscreen now on the Charge 5. You do have little touch areas there on the sides when measuring certain things like ECG. The other thing that's a little misleading is the bezels around the screen are actually kind of large. Just moving it around in the right lighting, you can sort of see what the actual screen size is. The one thing I don't like is it doesn't show stairs. Just running up and down stairs is usually a good workout. I always like to know how many stairs I'm doing. Unfortunately, you have to dig in the app to get that. You can swipe left, right, up and down to move around on the software, and then just double tap to go back to the home screen. I kind of wish it would give you more information right there on the watch. I mean, if you do their subscription service, it looks like it's going to give you a sleep score, but I feel like they could put more information on the actual watch. That way you don't always have to go back to your phone to see that info. The other thing I don't like about the app is I feel like you really have to dig to find what you're looking for. I kind of wish they would have a search function right here on the home page. For instance, I want to see how many stairs or floors that I took. Where is that? I know I saw it on here before, but now I'm not sure where it was. Just when testing this out, I feel like the steps are fairly comparable to other Fitbits that I've used and other fitness trackers. I do like the overall build quality and the functions that you get with this, but considering you can get the new Halo View by Amazon, it's going to be a tough choice to choose this over that one when this one's twice the price. So if you've made it this far into the video, you may want to say thanks by subscribing, and don't forget to give a thumbs up if this video was helpful. This is Brian from Fitbit Productions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.